Good morning, class. Welcome to day one of your cardboard relief unit. This video is going to discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed today. So your learning goal for today is to explore and scrutinize examples of repurposed art by contemporary artists in our culture and other cultures. So what that means is that we are looking at current artists, artists that are still alive today and still making artwork that use recycled art in our nation and other countries around the world. Our central question for the project is, how does recycled art play an important role in today's world? And how does this relate to art? The answer to that is that recycling has been a huge movement for some time now, as we realize that we are starting to heavily pollute the earth and hurt the earth that we live in. So recycling materials helps stop the pollution in the waters, even in our land pollution, our landfills. And art is one way to recycle materials. Instead of just breaking them down and then reusing them as the same products they once were, we can use them as parts to our sculptures to help with the movement of recycling and protecting our earth. And then a vocabulary word for today is relief, which is going to lead me into our task list for today. So first, you guys should be watching the cardboard relief video. This video helps you with today's entrance ticket questions, so please watch that. Then once you've watched that, you're going to go and answer the two questions in today's entrance ticket. Those questions are: what is a relief? And how can an artist use cardboard to create a relief? Again, the answers are in that first video, so please watch that. Then you're going to watch the how to sketch your cardboard relief video, because today we are going to be basically brainstorming our ideas and figuring out how to sketch out a three-dimensional framework, basically how to plan a three-dimensional project on paper so that we can begin our sculpture the following class. So please watch that video for step 3. Then once you've done your entrance ticket and you have watched the cardboard relief video so you know how to sketch it, then lastly you'll complete a sketch of your design of your cardboard relief and submit that photo to the day one progress. When you're completing your sketch for your project, you want to follow the steps below that are listed A through D. So first, you'll design a sketch of your cardboard relief. You want to plan the design. You want to fill the whole space. You want to figure out how many layers that you're going to want in your artwork. Then you want to label or color your various layers. You must have at least 3 different layers of cardboard in your design. So that means is, if you have your base, your flat piece that you are stacking your cardboard on top to raise the image, that flat piece would be layer 0, and then having one sheet of cardboard, one thickness, would be layer 1, and then having it even thicker would be layer 2, and then layer 3. So for each piece you're adding an extra layer. So it needs to be at least 3 layers high. It can be more, but you want to make sure that your whole image is not just one layer high. All right, so plan your design. Make sure you have at least 3 different layers. Plan to include full color through the use of oil pastel. Again, this is just you planning. You can use color pencils to help kind of sketch out that plan, what colors you might want things to be. And then just submit your completed sketch by the end of the day. Again, the main objectives are to A, create a relief. Make sure relief is at least 3 layers high. Plan to have color in it. And then also just make sure you fill the whole space as always. Have a nice strong composition. Just show that you plan the space of your artwork from the beginning. And the image can be of anything you want. It can be a favorite cartoon character. It can be a landscape. It can be something sports related, video game related, whatever your theme is, that's fine. Just make sure you create your images big so they fill that whole 9x12 sheet of cardboard that you received. And if for whatever reason you were not in class when the cardboard was handed out, you can use cardboard from the home if you have any. If your parents are like my wife, where you guys have cardboard boxes at your front door every day and you have an excess of cardboard, please feel free to break that down and use that for this assignment. If you do not have any cardboard access, please let me know and we can create an alternative assignment. I just can't promise it's going to be much easier, but you will need cardboard for this assignment if you don't have it. All right, so that's everything for the task list for this morning. In just a moment, I'll be talking with you guys in the cardboard relief video. I'll see you guys soon, and at the end of that video, just make sure you watch the how to sketch your cardboard relief video as well. Alright guys, I will see you shortly. Bye.